really could work both in research and in terms of creativity with what students have made from their research results. What stood out to me was the degree of variety in it, from children in schools and crises throughout Pakistan to understanding jugaad.
इट इज़ फैंटास्टिक। मतलब बहुत खुशी हुई मुझे देख करके उनका जो थॉट प्रोसेस था, जो टैलेंट था, जिस तरीके से उन्होंने पूरे अपने कैनवस को कवर किया है। यू नो, इट वुड बी अ पिटी इफ दीज प्रोजेक्ट्स आर नॉट used commercially.
Habib as a whole focuses a lot on research at an undergrad level, and that really does come to light in the final year, where people are more so able to understand where and how they want to conduct their researches, and the final year projects are representations of their ambition.
I was really struck by the connections that they drew to each other's work, while also having distinct forms that they were analyzing, and that the fact that I could really tell that they had done very close readings of the texts that they're working with.
I really enjoyed the conceptual part of the projects. The students had picked a variety of themes to work on, and what really stood out for me was the walkthrough experience. I think there was a lot of thought behind it and a lot of research, which felt very refreshing to see.
रिसर्च बहुत अच्छी होती है। सब लोग जो काम कर रहे हैं एटलीस्ट उनको एक एक चीज़ का पता है कि अगर उन्होंने कोई एक कलर यूज़ किया है तो वो भी क्यों यूज़ किया है, उसका रीज़न होता है उनके पास। वो रैंडमली कुछ भी नहीं यूज़ कर रहे हैं। ये बात मुझे यहाँ के स्टूडेंट्स की बहुत अच्छी लगी। इनके जब काम देखा और उनसे सवालात किए हैं, काफ़ी फ़र्क है इस मामले में दूसरी जगहों की निस्बत।
The students are working on meaningful problems in their own professional areas. But what was different over here was that it's not just looking at the technical part or the functional part of that problem that they're solving, but there's a bit of a social element, so everyone creating some sort of a social impact.